Hey everyone, welcome back. So Toyota is back at it again, and this time it's with the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross, a compact SUV that's quietly been one of the smartest choices in its segment, and now it's getting even better. If you've liked the Corolla Cross for being practical, efficient, and easy to live with, the 2026 model is shaping up to feel more confident, more modern, and honestly, more fun than before. This isn't a total reinvention, but it is the kind of update that makes you stop and take a second look. Before we get into it, real quick, if you enjoy staying up to date on new cars, future models, and honest breakdowns without the boring stuff, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps out a ton, and you won't miss what's coming next. Alright, let's get into it. Right away, the 2026 Corolla Cross is expected to lean into a sharper, more adventurous design. Toyota's been giving its SUVs a tougher, more planted look lately, and the Corolla Cross is following that trend. Expect updated front and rear styling, cleaner lighting, and details that make it feel less like a lifted Corolla and more like a true small SUV. It's still friendly and approachable, but now with a little extra attitude, especially for buyers who want something that looks ready for more than just grocery runs. One of the biggest highlights, and honestly one of the reasons people love this vehicle, is the hybrid option. The Corolla Cross Hybrid has already proven how good Toyota is at blending power and efficiency, and for 2026, it's expected to be even more refined. Smooth acceleration, excellent fuel economy, and zero stress at the pump. It's the kind of setup that just makes sense. Whether you're commuting every day or doing long road trips, this is a hybrid that doesn't feel like a compromise. And if you're someone who occasionally ventures off the pavement, Toyota hasn't forgotten about you. The available all-wheel drive system, especially on hybrid trims, continues to make the Corolla Cross feel surprisingly capable. We're not talking hardcore rock crawling here, but for dirt roads, snow, rain, or weekend getaways, it's more confident than you might expect. That's part of the Corolla Cross charm. It's easygoing but quietly capable. Inside, the 2026 model is expected to feel more modern and more connected. Toyota has been stepping up interior design across the board, and the Corolla Cross is getting the benefit of that. Expect a cleaner dashboard layout, improved screens, better materials in key touchpoints, and small refinements that make the cabin feel more comfortable day to day. It's still practical, still simple, but now with a more polished vibe that matches what buyers expect in 2026. Tech-wise, everything is likely to feel smoother and more intuitive. Wireless smartphone connectivity, updated driver assistance features, and a more responsive infotainment system should all be part of the experience. Nothing overwhelming, nothing flashy for the sake of it, just features that work the way you want them to when you get in and drive. When it comes to pricing, the Corolla Cross continues to shine. While official numbers aren't locked in yet, Toyota is expected to keep it competitive, especially compared to rivals that have crept up in price year after year. That's been a big reason for its success. You're getting Toyota reliability, solid resale value, and now improved design and tech, without jumping into luxury car pricing territory. Compared to earlier models, the 2026 Corolla Cross feels like the most complete version yet. The first-generation models were practical and efficient, but a little conservative. Over time, Toyota has listened, improving styling, adding hybrid performance, and refining the overall driving experience. This latest version feels more confident, more refined, and better aligned with what modern compact SUV buyers actually want. At the end of the day, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross isn't trying to be flashy or over the top. It's trying to be smart, dependable, efficient, and versatile. And it's doing a better job at that than ever before. If you want a compact SUV that fits real life, saves you money, and still feels current and capable, this one is absolutely worth keeping an eye on. Let me know what you think. Would you choose the Corolla Cross Hybrid, or are you sticking with gas? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more updates on upcoming cars, just like this one.